Gents, I hope everyone is doing fine and have had fabulous holidays. So today I'm going to give a quick update on Bitcoin and will state that why I'm bullish on Bitcoin and I have opened a long position on it. So as you can see on the chart that this is Bitcoin chart and this range from this swing high to this swing low is our higher time frame and monthly range that you can see. This is the mid range, this is the range low, and this is the range high. So if Bitcoin managed to get back above this mid range, probable targets can be $19,900 and probably this range high. So this is our high time frame targets for bullishness, and currently we are within this swing point. As you can see, the price came down and made a pivot point here, then it bounced and made a swing high. So I took this as our lower time frame range, especially a daily time frame range. So you can see this is range high and this is range low. This is the mid range. So currently the price is below that mid range and it can be more bullish. Once it gets back above this mid range, it can go to this $7,500 target and probably to the range high. So this is the daily time frame range, and the previous week, not the previous, but the important weekly range that I took is this range from 7,300 down to 5,900. So this weekly range is also important, and as you can see that price is currently below the mid-range of this range. So in case price uh, tries to break this mid-range and stays above this mid-range, next targets can be this area and this range high and probably this level. So this is the ranges I'm currently looking. But in overall, let's see what price has done previously and what it might going to do. So in here you can see that this was our range. Price came down, took the liquidity from the range low. It started to go up, and in here you can see that we have uh, five Elliott waves, and this is the one wave, second, third, third and fourth, and this one is the fifth wave. And after that we are doing a corrective wave. That's this one is A, probably B and C, and now we can continue going higher. So we can expect that Bitcoin price can make a lower high from lower than this around here and fill this all imbalances on the left side. So if we take this swing high down to this swing low and open the Fibonacci retracement, you can see that those three important levels, which is 62%, 70% and 79% is around this area, and price has came to this level once. Twice it took this liquidity from here and tagged this order block. So as long as this order block is holding, Bitcoin can be bullish for this level. And after tagging this level, it broke the structure on here. Let me remove this back. And here you can see that this was the swing high and this the swing low. After that, it made a higher high, so broke the structure, and uh, it went into a consolidation range. And after that, it took the liquidity below this, tagged this level, and is sitting on here. So if we go to the hourly chart, what can we find here? You can see that in here, after breaking the structure, if we take this high and this low to find our Fibonacci extension and retracement level, you can see here that These three levels has been tagged once here and secondly here. So after tagging this level, it could not go below this previous liquidity zone that price tagged, so it could not close any candle below this level and is holding this 3 Fibonacci level. As long as it holds this level, price can go and fill this imbalance by tagging this 27% and 62% level, which is around 7,500. So if we if the price goes high, the targets can be 7,000, 17,400 or 17,500, this level. So uh, in here you can see that this is our weekly range and this is the mid range. Currently price is below that and below this important breaker that it was resistance, support here. Now it turned to resistance once again. So if you want to have a better entry, it's better to wait for the price to get back above this breaker and this weekly mid range. Once it stays Once it stays above this level and holds and make a higher high, you can enter on here by placing your stop loss below this important breaker and can target this level. So, but as I said, I'm already long because in here we had a downtrend, we broke this downtrend, we are retesting it, and if you see here, this order block was holding the price. Once it tagged it, it tried to break this level, it couldn't, it came below this breaker, it tested it and went lower. And once again it came above this breaker, it made a range, broke it and is retesting this breaker. So this breaker is also important level and I entered into a long on here around 50 16,555, so and placed my stop loss on 16,400 with a target of this. This was weekly mid-range and this is weekly range high. Also, this two green level can also be an area that I might take some profits because this was December monthly open and this one is previous weekly high. Cost price might go above it and come back below and make a deviation on here. So this can also be a target area, but the last important target is around 7,400 and maybe $500. So this is the position I'm currently in and hoping this works out and make some profit on the last day of on the new year. So thanks for watching this video. I wish you all a happy new year and hope that every one of you succeed in your trading journey and become a better trader in the new year. Bye.